I'm up at daybreak, sunrise will find me carefree without care or strife. Each day's like a song and I sing along. I'm living a wonderful life. People have told me all that I'm missing, thrills that I'd get as a wife. Although I'm single, there's still a tingle, having the time of my life. I find that nighttime is my alright time, can hardly wait time, feeling so great time. If you'd like to feel this way, live your life every wonderful day. Out at a party, picnic or hayride, I'll get the group up to say, let's have a toast for what we live most for, a wonderful life, hooray. Give me the sun and a little fun and that certain one and my dreams begun. When I feel I've got these things, I'll be set for whatever life brings. And in conclusion, if there's confusion as I'm concluding my stay, I'll state one more time in lyrical rhyme,